Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Yeti USB microphone is probably one of the most popular and versatile microphones on the market, making it a go-to choice for streamers, podcasters, and content creators alike. Its plug-and-play functionality and multiple pickup patterns offer incredible flexibility, but does it truly live up to the hype for everyone looking to elevate their audio game? We're diving deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if this iconic microphone is the right fit for your setup and your budget. Number 5. Logitech Blue Yeti USB Microphone. Experience crystal clear, powerful audio perfect for your creative projects. This microphone delivers broadcast quality sound for all your recording needs. Unlock a new level of vocal clarity with advanced software. Enhance your streams and recordings with professional sounding audio and engaging effects. Capture sound from any direction with 4 distinct pickup patterns. It offers the flexibility to record vocals, instruments, and podcasts with ease. Take command of your sound with intuitive onboard controls. Adjust headphone volume, mute instantly, and fine-tune mic gain for the perfect mix. Achieve the best audio quality by easily positioning the microphone. Real-time, no-latency monitoring ensures you always sound your best. Get started in seconds with its easy plug-and-play functionality. Connect it to your Mac or PC and begin recording or streaming immediately. What we like. This microphone offers advanced vocal effects and multiple pickup patterns for professional sound. If you're looking to elevate your streaming or podcasting with studio-quality audio and creative sound shaping, this is the choice for you. Its versatility and ease of use make it ideal for content creators who want to stand out. What people say. The Yeti microphone has a very clear and crisp sound quality, making it ideal for voiceovers and streaming. Its plug-and-play functionality means you can connect it via USB and start recording immediately without any complicated setup. The microphone features multiple pickup patterns, cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, and stereo, allowing for versatile recording options for different situations. Number 4. FIFINE K669B USB Microphone. Get started right away with this plug-and-play USB microphone. Simply connect it to your computer using the included cable for high-quality audio recording, whether you're making music, singing, or podcasting. Crafted with a durable metal construction and a stable tripod stand, this microphone is built for longevity. It's perfect for extended voiceover sessions or live streaming, ensuring reliable performance every time. Easily adjust your sound levels with the integrated volume knob. You can make your voice louder or quieter to suit your needs, and even mute yourself for complete privacy. Powered by USB, it requires no extra phantom power. This device works seamlessly with various applications and platforms, connecting easily to your desktop, laptop, or gaming console. Experience clear, smooth, and crisp sound with its cardioid pickup pattern. It effectively captures your voice while minimizing background noise, making it ideal for gamers, streamers, and YouTubers. Perfect for platforms like Discord, OBS, and Zoom. This microphone ensures your voice is heard clearly in online meetings, gaming chats, and content creation. What we like. Built with a sturdy metal construction and featuring an easy-to-use volume knob, this mic is designed for longevity and convenience. If you need a reliable and straightforward microphone for voiceovers, online meetings, or basic streaming without fuss, its robust build and accessible controls make it a practical option. It's perfect for users who prioritize durability and simple operation. What people say. The Yeti microphone has a plug-and-play design, making it easy to set up and use. It offers multiple pickup patterns, cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, and stereo, allowing for versatile recording options. The microphone features a built-in headphone jack for zero-latency monitoring, ensuring you can hear your audio in real time without delay. Number 3. FIFINE T669 USB Condenser Microphone. Get started with crystal clear audio in seconds. This USB microphone offers a direct plug-and-play connection to your PC or laptop, eliminating the need for extra hardware or drivers. It's perfect for recording vocals, podcasts, and voiceovers with ease. Experience studio-quality sound with its wide frequency response and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. The cardioid condenser capsule ensures clear audio capture from the front while minimizing background noise, making it ideal for home studios. This microphone comes with a versatile and sturdy broadcast suspension boom arm. Its 180-degree rotation and extension allow for optimal positioning to capture your voice perfectly for podcasts or voiceovers. The included double pop filter effectively reduces plosive sounds and unwanted noise, ensuring your recordings are clean and professional. It's great for both studio and home use. The adjustable boom stand features a heavy-duty mount that securely attaches to your desk. Its design allows for unobstructed performance, perfect for podcasting, voiceovers, gaming, or online conferences. This kit includes everything you need for professional recording: a durable steel scissor arm stand, a shock mount, a double pop filter, a premium USB cable, and a user manual. You're ready to create high-quality content right away. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for professional recording, including a boom arm and shock mount. If you're setting up a home studio and want a complete package that delivers excellent sound quality right out of the box, this is an ideal solution. It's perfect for podcasters, musicians, and voiceover artists who want a streamlined setup with premium accessories. What people say. The Yeti microphone has a plug-and-play design that works with both Mac and PC. It features 3 condenser capsules that allow for recording in stereo or your choice of 3 other patterns, including cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. The microphone also includes a headphone output with its own volume control and a button to mute the microphone. Number 2. FIFINE AmpliGame A6V USB Gaming Microphone. Experience award-winning sound quality that brings your teammates closer than ever. Its sensitive pickup focuses on your voice while minimizing background noise, giving you a competitive edge. Easily manage your audio with a quick mute button and an intuitive gain control. Adjust your volume on the fly without disrupting your game or stream. Immerse yourself in the game with dynamic, multicolored RGB lighting. It adds a vibrant atmosphere to your setup, perfectly matching your gaming rig. Get started in seconds with easy plug-and-play functionality. It's compatible with all major operating systems and gaming platforms, requiring no extra software. This device comes complete with essential accessories like a shock mount, pop filter, and tripod stand. These ensure optimal audio capture and durability for any gaming session. A long, detachable USB cable provides a stable and uninterrupted connection. You can position it perfectly without worrying about reach or interference. What we like. Designed with gamers in mind, this microphone boasts vibrant RGB lighting and a quick mute button for seamless in-game communication. If you're a streamer or gamer who wants to enhance your setup with dynamic lighting and immediate control over your audio, this mic is a fantastic choice. Its gaming-centric features ensure you can focus on the action while maintaining clear communication. What people say. The Yeti microphone is known for its versatility, offering multiple pickup patterns, cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, and stereo, that allow it to be used for a wide range of recording situations, from solo vocals to interviews with multiple people. It features a built-in headphone jack with volume control and a microphone mute button, providing convenient on-the-fly adjustments without needing external hardware. The microphone's plug-and-play USB connectivity makes it incredibly easy to set up and use with both Mac and PC computers, requiring no additional drivers or software. Number 1. FIFINE AmpliGame A6T USB Gaming Microphone Kit. Get started right away with this plug-and-play USB microphone. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and PlayStation consoles, and features a reversible USB-C connector for easy plugging in any lighting condition. Enhance your gaming setup with its cool two-tone automatic gradient RGB lighting. This feature adds a vibrant and eye-catching element to your stream, making your content stand out. Easily manage your audio with the convenient touch mute button and the large volume control knob. Adjust settings quickly without interrupting your gameplay or stream. Experience rich and warm vocal reproduction thanks to its upgraded condenser cardioid microphone capsule. It's designed to capture your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, perfect for team communication. This microphone comes with a flexible boom arm that offers nearly 180 degrees rotation for optimal positioning. It also includes a shock mount and a detachable pop filter to further reduce unwanted noise and vibrations. Everything you need is in the box: the microphone with shock mount, pop filter, boom arm stand, USB cable, and C-clamp. The stand securely mounts to desks up to 2 inches thick. What we like. This gaming microphone kit comes with a convenient boom arm and a reversible USB-C connector for easy setup, plus cool RGB lighting. If you're a streamer or gamer looking for a complete package that offers flexibility in positioning and a stylish aesthetic, this is the one. Its comprehensive accessories and user-friendly design make it perfect for creating an immersive gaming or streaming environment. What people say. The Yeti microphone has a plug-and-play design, making it easy to set up and use. It features multiple pickup patterns, allowing for versatile recording options. The microphone offers clear audio quality, suitable for various applications like podcasting and streaming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.